Alright, y'all, today we're going to be making some burritos, also known as burritos. First, the ingredients that you need is some Mexican style 4 cheese, shredded cheese. Perfect for the burritos. You need a lime, because you're going to need some lime juice for the guacamole. You're going to need some nice flour tortillas, perfect size. You're going to need 4 avocados, perfectly good avocados, and you're going to want 90% lean and 10% fat ground beef. And then you're going to want some more Mexican style 4 cheese, shredded cheese, and 2 cans of black refried beans to help with the meat. And last, some taco seasoning, which could also be called burrito seasoning, and just some salsa if you want that. Alright, so let's begin. Okay, so you want to turn the stove onto medium heat and have a nice skillet. We have a giant one here. So first you want to take your 90% lean and 10% fat ground beef. Just take it to it. Just rip it open. It's harder than it looks. Okay, so once you got all of that, just want to pop that thing in. Alright, and you just want to take your wooden spoon, your spanker. So you want to take that out, kind of mash it all up, separate all of it till it's nice and all apart, not sticking together like these big clumps. Okay, well, after you got the meat to brown,
almost there.
You want to just go a little more. When you see mostly everything's brown, take it out and open. Oh yeah, you gotta take your taco seasoning and you want to open it up for the 3 little holes if you have that. And you don't want not too much, not too little, just the right amount. And that should be good. Okay. Now you want to take your wooden spoon again. Just mix it all in. And this makes it taste really good. Very great and juicy and just that's. So you want to keep cooking it till you see absolutely no pink. Because if you're eating a burrito and you see pink, you probably think, what's wrong with that meat? You want to get to it completely brown. Keep moving it around until all of it's mixed in. Almost there. Oh, it looks so good. Don't you wish you could just eat that? Oh, but you can't. This is my home. We're almost done. And that should be good. Set your wooden spoon aside and take your refried black beans. And just, okay, this might look disgusting, but you want to
use the spoon.
I don't. Well, that just plopped right out. It is kind of disgusting. So you want to... Okay. So once you put all of your beans in 2 cans of it, you just want to keep mixing it in. You can see how the beans have added with the meat. Kind of makes it a little chunkier. But that's what makes it taste really good. And so it mixed with the taco seasoning and the ground beef and the refried beans. Really gives your meat... Just gives it some life. Makes you feel like you're not just making homemade food, you're making the real stuff. I got my family waiting for this. So we're just gonna keep going to making some nice, great burritos. Okay, so now you kind of want to turn your heat down to maybe a 2. So it's not as hot, because you're going to want to taste this in a second. But you want to take some more taco seasoning. Just gotta love that stuff. So open it up. Put a lot in, but not too much. Maybe that should be good. One more. All right, back to mixing. Wish we had some tunes. Taco seasoning in for your refried beans and your ground beef to make some great burrito meat. So you want it all mixed in. Might look a little weird. That's how you know it's perfect. Well, once you get to about right here, once all the beans are mixed in and the taco seasoning is in, you want to take your trusty fork, your favorite fork. Just take a little piece. We're going to want to taste this. Perfection.
Turn your heat all the way to left.
Now we want to turn it very low. Alright, so now you want to take your avocados, but you're not going to cut them. Oh, no. You should have your parent do it because it's scary. Alright, now, after your adult parent guardian has cut the avocados, you want to take one side of it, well, you want to take both sides, and take a spoon and just hit it right at the top, and kind of scoop it all out. Looks really cool. So after that, you want to put everything in, and now you want to take your garlic. Actually, no! Let's mash it first. Before we go any further, you want to take a potato masher or any masher that you use at home. You want to take it and just mash all the avocados. I just think that looks so cool. Yeah. Who knew that fruit could look so good? I like doing this. Putting it in, turning it, and just taking it out, tapping it off. Oh, yeah. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Avocados are really good for you. One, because they're a fruit. The fruit's good for you. And if you like them, for you, they taste good. And people say that it's good for your whole body. Again, because it's a fruit. So once you get it all mashed up, alright, so after you've got it all mashed like this, you want to take your garlic powder. It's great stuff. Open the little hole side. You just want
That's probably plenty.
Yep. I knew that. Looks pretty good. Now you want to take your onion, and you want a little less.
No, a little more onion usually, so you wanted less garlic.
More.
That's probably good.
Thank you, cameraman mom. Now you want to take your salt. Good. Now you want to take your pepper.
Just a real quick. Maybe one more. Okay.
And there we are. You want to take your trusty spoon. Actually, no. You want to take your lime. And now, adult, will you please cut this?
Sure. Wow.
Thank you, Mother. Yes, beautiful limes. All right. So now you've got your beautiful lime inside. You want to take it from that side. You want to squeeze it from this side. Now the other side again. Again, when you're done with that, you just want a little of the other side. Just like, just squirt it off my face. And, actually no, you want to use them both. So now it goes to waste. Alright. That should be good. Now you want to wash your hands again, or else you're going to have super wet hands. Alright, so now you want to take your spoon and mix in all of the stuff that you just put in. This gives the guac some real pizzazz. It makes it all nice and green, even though it was from the start, just makes it better. I got superpowers, watch. I've had many times training to make this. This is like my 700th time doing this. Alright. So once it's all stirred in, your guac is completely done.
Did you taste it?
You have to taste it.
St. Augustine, Florida is the oldest continuously occupied city in the United States. It was founded by Spanish explorer Pedro Pérez de Alvarez in 1565.
Needs to be stirred more. Okay, so now you want to heat up your skillet to about, let's say, if you have one like this, about to number 5, about medium heat. Now you want to open your great tortillas. Trusty tortillas to slap people with. Alright, so now you got your fresh tortilla.
First Englishman to circumnavigate the globe, Sir Francis Drake.
Now you want to grab your Mexican shredded cheese. Open that bucket. You want to take your shredded cheese, open it up, and sprinkle it on. And that should be perfect. So now you just want to flip it. Flip your tortilla. Nice and easy. This looks very good. I don't know why I'm petting it.
What are you making?
Well, first we're going to make some quesadillas. Sorry, I did not tell you that from the beginning. But if you don't know what a quesadilla is, it's just meat and you can have meat on it, but we're just going to make cheese quesadillas. Just cheese and a tortilla. Perfectly cooked. Actually, might want to turn up the heat a little more. Up to 5. Now you want to flip it. Ooh, nice and golden. That's how you know it's perfect. When it's got all like these little spots on it, gold, 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 little dark ones. Alright, now we can finish up on this quesadilla. Oh, perfectly put it on. Turn your skillet off. Alright now, after I showed you how to make the quesadilla, you want to make a burrito. Main course. So you want to take it and just spin it all around. Make sure you don't touch the skillet because it burns. It burns a lot. And, wow. Okay, it should be good right about...
Flip it.
Now. Now you want to flip it. Keep spinning. Toasty. Let's use this. Oh, it's better. Didn't happen last time, but it got hot this time. Turn this on super low. Now you want to take some nice, beautiful Mexican style cheese. I'm having a lot of fun with this.
That's a lot of cheese, buddy.
Don't worry. This could be mine.
Okay.
You know how much I adore cheese.
New front doors, new stairs, those are in really bad that shape, and then the new sidewalk that we would be responsible for.
Ah, yes. We need meat.
New windows.
The main thing.
There's some settlement. We're definitely gonna have to clean up some of this.
And this is gonna be plenty.
Just the front of the
The
side.
place caught on fire and it's asking $660,000.
I want to see what's in the center, especially because it's on fire.
Maybe.
Yeah, it's like an explosion in here.
Alright, perfect. And now I'm gonna put some more cheese on because I love cheese. Just a little this time. Still a lot. And if you want, you can add salsa at this point or guacamole. I'm gonna put some guac.
Disgusting bathroom. And then a step down. This kitchen is,
That's a kitchen.
yeah.
Wow, you really want to come, don't you?
So we're standing in the addition.
That damage.
Alright, I've had it.
Fire upstairs. I'm surprised so.
Thank you. I'm using my finger. This is mine. I don't care.
Is leaning or is it just the window? It's got me a little nervous. We're gonna take this whole thing off. Let's go out.
Alright,
Easier side, isn't it?
so it's perfect. Now,
Work looks
you want to take it,
so that's a pretty big savings.
sort of start rolling it, tuck in one side, start rolling it, and tuck in the other side, and keep rolling it till a perfectly made burrito! Perfect for the whole family. And now, you are complete. If you want, you can add stuff to the side. I'm gonna because I love guacamole. And that is how you make burritos. What did you think of the burritos?
They were magnificent. I've been in search of the perfect burrito all of my life. From Southern California down to Mexico, even to Barcelona in Spain. And I found it in my living room, made with my grandson Ian. Kudos to you, Ian.
Thank you,
Kudos.
Grandpa. Thank you. How do you think the quesadilla was? It was good. What did you think of the burritos?
I thought it was delicious. It had a nice bite to it with the salsa and the spices, the seasoning that you put in it.
Thank you.
It was very good. Thank you very much for coming to my house and making me a delicious dinner.
What do you think of the burritos?
It was very good. It's tastes like they always do, so that's a good thing.
Yep, I made it exactly how you like it.
Yep, thanks, buddy.
Mom's way. What do you think of the burritos?
They were delicious. Thank you so much for making dinner, Ian.
Well, you helped too.
You're welcome.
I think my burrito was excellent. Excellent. It was excellent. I have not tried my quesadilla yet, so I'm going to do that. It's amazing.